Good day and welcome to another lovely edition of Innovation Bit segment on Farmers Forum. On this segment, we bring to you current and interesting information on agricultural products. Today on the show, I'll be talking about cashew. Its scientific name is Anacardium occidentale. Its local name is called kaju. Cashew tree is a tropical evergreen tree that produces cashew nut and cashew apple. Cashew nut is actually a kidney-shaped seed that adheres to the bottom of the cashew apple. The cashew apple is a fruit whose pulp can be processed into a sweet astringent fruit drink or distilled into a liqueur. The cashew fruit is an accessory fruit, that is, it is a false fruit. It has an oval or pear shape. It ripens into a yellow or red color, which is edible and has a strong sweet smell and taste. The pulp of the cashew apple is very juicy, with an edible part and a very strong sweet smell and taste. Please, I'll take that again. The cashew apple is a fruit whose pulp can be processed into a sweet astringent fruit drink or distilled into liquor. The cashew fruit is an accessory fruit, that is, it is a false fruit. It has an oval or pear shape. It ripens into a yellow or red color, which is edible and has a strong sweet smell and taste. The pulp of the cashew apple is very juicy with a very fragile skin, making it unsuitable for transport and thus not seen everywhere except when processed. The true fruit of cashew is a kidney seed. The true fruit of cashew is a kidney-shaped fruit with a single seed called cashew nut. The seed is surrounded by a double shell which contains a toxin. Proper roasting of the cashew destroys the toxin, but it must be done outdoors because the smoke contains droplets which causes severe and sometimes life-threatening reaction by irritating the lungs. This is why cashew is removed. This is why the shell is removed before it is sold to consumers. Cashew is native to coastal areas of northeastern Brazil. The shell of the nut yields derivatives that can be used in many applications, from lubricants to paste, and other parts of the tree can be used traditionally for snake bites and other folk remedies. Cashew apples have a sweet but astringent taste, which could be traced to the waxy layers of the skin that contains chemicals that can cause minor skin irritation when in contact with the skin. When the fluid from the cashew fruit drops on a white cloth, it gives the cloth a permanent stain. So when eating cashew, be cautious not to allow the juice drop on your cloth. The astringency in cashew can be removed by steaming the fruit for about 5 minutes before washing in cold water. Parts of the tree, like the leaves, bark, fruit, even the nut oil, can be used as antifungal or antibacterial. The nut oil can be applied to cracked eels to heal quickly. Nuts, especially cashew nuts, contains antioxidants and monounsaturated fatty acids that prevent heart diseases. To lower the risk of cardiovascular and coronary heart diseases, enjoy a handful of nuts or scoop of nut butter even as bread spread at least 4 times a week. Copper, which is richly present in cashew, plays a wide range of roles in physiological processes like development of bones and connective tissues, production of skin and hair pigment called melanin, which gives the hair a shining dark color. It also fights against cancer cells and prevents colon cancer. 2/3 of magnesium in human body is found in our bone, thus vital for healthy bones. Magnesium present in calcium prevents calcium from entering the nerve cells, keeping the blood vessels and muscles relaxed. It will interest you to know that eating nuts prevents gallbladder disease. that is gallstone, by about 25%. Nuts, especially cashew nuts, even though they are considered as fatty foods, they contain good cholesterol, which prevents weight gain, contrary to the popular belief. They also give healthy teeth and strong gums to hold them. The high vitamin content in cashew prevents anemia. They help growth and development, nucleic acid synthesis, and digestion also. After menopause, you do not have to worry about getting a sweet night rest. Eating cashew gives relaxed and pleasant night sleep. Cashew has an amazing ability to filter sun's ultraviolet ray and protect us from macular degeneration. As at 2010, Nigeria is the world's largest producer of cashew nuts with shell. Cashew oil is a dark yellow oil for cooking and salad dressing. It is pressed from cashew nuts. There is also cashew seed oil that has various industrial functions. In some parts of the world, cashew fruit is cooked with water and sugar for a prolonged time to make a sweet brown paste-like dessert called dulce de marrano. Marrano is one of the Spanish names for cashew. A fact which I found out about cashew is that it contains 5 times more vitamin C than orange. Cashew can be used to make preservatives, jam, flavor, and also drinks in other parts of the world like Brazil and India. When selecting cashew nuts, ensure it is in a tightly sealed container. There should be no evidence of moisture or insect damage. If possible, smell it to check for rancidity. When opened, it should be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator. Cashew nuts can be eaten as an healthy snack. It could be spread some butternut on a morning toast, which makes an wholesome breakfast. A handful of cashew nuts can be sprinkled over your morning oatmeal or any other cereal. It will increase your protein intake. A blend of cashew, mango, raw green pepper, and orange gives a nice shake that can be served cold after meals. Cashew is usually in season at the onset of rainy season, which is March. So do yourself a great favor of getting cashew this week before it runs out of season. Until I come your way again next week, stay tuned. Market survey comes up next. I am Adegbite Betty.